What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new 3D printer. Well, it's not a new one, but it's new to me. It's the original Prusa i3 MK3S 3 Plus. Excuse me, that's a mouthful. Yeah, super cool. Supposedly, these are the gold standard for 3D printers. I've heard great things about them and bad things about them, but it's pretty spendy printer. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to check it out and see what type of prints we can get with it. This is just going to be an unboxing video. There's a bunch of really good build guides already out there on YouTube, and I don't think I can do a better job than most of those videos, so I'm not going to try to. I'll link some of them in the description if you're curious about trying to follow along with a guide. I watched one already that was extremely well done and detailed, so yeah, I'm just going to follow that guide myself, actually. So this is just going to be an unboxing video, basically, and showing you everything that comes with the kit. This is from Joseph Prusa. I believe they're a company, they are a company, I believe, in Germany, and this comes straight from Germany. They got an awesome factory over there. I watched the video. They have like a tour. They seem to be really focused on high quality parts, quality control. So yeah, they seem to be a pretty good brand. This was 750 bucks. Plus tax, plus the shipping, so it gets pretty expensive, but it's a direct drive FDM printer. I believe it's an 8-bit control board. I believe the print bed size is roughly the same size as the Ender 3 V2, so I think it's 235 by 235 by 250, something like that. But yeah, it's got auto bed leveling. I don't know what you call the bearing design on it, but it's I really like the bearing design on it, or the rollers, whatever you want to call it. Instead of having, the 3 rubber grommets on a channel, or whatever the heck you call it for the Ender 3 V2, these have some really slick bearings that roll on these rods that seem pretty good. But anyways, this is just going to be an unboxing video. Dive into it and show you everything you get with the kit, just so if you're interested in getting one, you can see what what it shows up like and what you get out of the box. For the FPV people, I know the majority of my channel has been 3D printing, and that's the majority of the audience, but for FPV people, I definitely have some more content coming out for FPV stuff. I have a super sick FR7 build that's sitting over on the bench right now. I'll throw a picture of it. It's ready to be built. I've just got too many projects going on right now, and yeah, just too many different things going on. But anyways, let's dive into this thing. So I'm honestly a little disappointed. The box is a little squished in some of the corners. That means it took some pretty hard hits, but hopefully everything's okay. Anyways, let's dive into it and see what we got going on here. So opening up, some bubble wrap on top. Congratulations on getting a Prusa printer, little thing. Some nice looking books here. What do we got? We got a 3D Printing Handbook. Pretty cool looking book. I bet you there's some useful information in here. Most stuff that people have already probably Googled or watched YouTube videos on. This is, Jesus, yeah, assembly instructions. This is a freaking pretty thick, make sure that's in shot there, sorry, pretty thick book, man. I've heard this guide, though, is extremely detailed. Yeah, it looks like it literally shows everything. This is pretty cool that they take this much time to show you how to hook everything up. Yeah, it's step by step on literally every single part. Good looking book. What else we got in here? So we've got, it all comes in a gazillion pieces. This might just be a video of a bunch of boxes of pieces. So we got 2 y-axes here, 1 box. What else we got in here? We got a receipt, it looks like, of some sort, the testing protocol. Yeah, they show that they did the bed temp test and then hot end temp test. Target 250C reached in 1 minute and 42 seconds. That's kind of cool. That's pretty quick. And then target 100 degrees bed temp reached in 4 minutes. So the bed temp took quite a bit longer. That's cool that they show that everything was checked and working properly. What do we got here? This is everything's in individual boxes. Plastic parts. Part set orange. All the frickin' 3D printed parts. This is gonna take forever, man, to set up. That was one of the reasons why I didn't, I was hesitant at first to buy this printer, the assembly. I've heard some guys say that it takes a whole weekend basically to put together, which I guess isn't that bad, but what do we got here? Fasteners and ELE, whatever the heck that is. Another box packed full of parts. Holy crap. Yep, so we're talking, there's all the, oh, it's stuck together here. So bags full of hardware. These are those bearings that I was talking about. You can see if there's a better example of one here. These are these bearing types. They slide on these rolls. I don't know what they're called. Somebody probably knows. I don't know. Tell me what they're called in the comments below. Whatever these bearings are, they seem like a way better design than I forget what you call the roller axis on the Ender 3 V2 or whatever, but it seems like a better design, a more, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, efficient, I guess. It's not efficient, maybe just overall it'll be better quality. Some more bubble wrap, get that out of here. We've got a power cord. Let me move this box over a little bit. Power cord, just a regular computer power cord. A bag of gummy bears. All right. What else we got here? The PSU, the power supply, it looks like. Yep. Prusa power supply. I don't know. 24 volt, yep. I wondered if it was anything like a computer power supply where the rating or whatever. Anyways, what else we got? Roll of basic filament. Okay. I imagine this is some PLA. Yep, PLA silver. Why silver? I don't want silver. I wanted that frickin' Prusa orange. Yeah, I wanted the Prusa orange. That's a full roll of filament though, so, and I believe their filament's pretty damn expensive, so I could be wrong. When I looked it up on Amazon though, the filament was like 50 bucks for a roll of PLA. Or I mean, PET G. What else we got down in here? If I can even get this crap out. So this, I imagine, is the bed sheet. That's got to be what this is. Yep, the heated bed. And I got the you can choose from their textured, their smooth, or their or both. What the heck did I get? I think it says it here on the side. Kit MK3S plus. I don't know what the heck's up with the name too. Why don't you just say Prusa, you know, number 2 or whatever. MK3S plus. Okay. Smooth. I could have swore it said on here what type of filament sheet I got. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. So we got the bed. Bam, this is the motor kit. It says on there at least. I imagine this is a crap load of stepper motors. Yep. Whole bunch of nicely packed stepper motors. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna take me forever, dude. I'm probably gonna mess it up. We've got a crap load of stuff here. And what's next? Okay, I imagine this is the Z-Rod. What does it say here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and S. I don't know what the heck's in here. I imagine the Z-Rod. Oh, this is all the rods. Yeah. So these are the rods that those bearings roll on, which seems like a really nice design. Yeah, these are really nice, high quality looking these steel rods, and then those bearings slide on them real nice. Yeah, that seems to make some pretty good high quality prints. Anyways, that's it. Boom. So we've got a crap load of stuff here. I'm looking forward to setting this up. Anyways, this was just going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys this new box. Really, I was just kind of showing off the the new thing I got. I'm excited to put it together. This is what you get when you order the Prusa kit. It comes with this nice assembly instruction manual, which looks pretty sweet. Yeah, this is a super detailed thing. I mean, we're talking, let me show you some of the pages here. So it's showing you literally every step of putting the thing together. And I believe too, another thing that that I don't know if I was reading it or what, but I believe you get access to like some Prusa, it's like their Thingiverse or something like that, but it's a Prusaverse, or I don't know what the heck you call it, but it's something that exclusive Prusa members can download and share STL files from. I could be wrong. Somebody let me know if I'm wrong or not, but I think I remember seeing something about that. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content. Let me know what videos you would like to see in the future. Yeah, I'm always looking for different video ideas to do. If there's a new 3D printer or you know, something you need, you're trying to figure out and you'd like me to do a video on, please let me know. I'm always looking for video suggestions and content stuff. FPV stuff coming real soon. Yeah, the FR7 long range build, it's a super sick build. I'll have that video up pretty soon too. I'm starting the build, so I'm gonna record the build, and once the build's done, I'll upload the video or edit the video and upload it, so it's gonna be a little ways out still. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hit that like button. Peace.